So when we talk about mindfulness, we're actually talking about two different things. So there is something called secular mindfulness, and there's something called mindfulness meditation that's part of a path of practice. What makes secular mindfulness secular is that it's sort of taken out of this bundle of practices that we call insight meditation, and it's distilled down to this particular type of attention that we call mindfulness. And that's a beautiful thing, because mindfulness is incredibly portable, it's incredibly transferable, it's a quality of attention, it's something we all know how to do. It's simple, it's not easy, you do have to train in it, it requires some dedication and some effort, but you can do it anywhere. Wherever your mind, body, heart is, you have the capacity to be mindful. So it doesn't have to be something extra. It's not some extra thing you have to do in your day, like eat kale and go to the gym and call this person back. You can be mindful anytime, anywhere. All you need is your heart, mind, body. Mindfulness meditation as part of insight meditation, as part of a path of practice that is Buddhist, is a different thing. It is part of this larger framework. And just this type of mindfulness, this thing that we call mindfulness meditation, just even that is part of a lot of different types of meditation, different styles of meditation, like loving kindness practice, like compassion practice. And it takes with it these qualities of right effort, which is really dedicating ourselves to wholesome mind states that are beneficial, that are soothing. Mindfulness meditation is always working hand in hand with effort and with concentration, with this focusing, this collecting, this gathering our attention, dedicating ourselves to a path of practice in service of awakening, in service of freedom. And so it takes with it an intention, a deeper intention, rooted in loving presence, rooted in loving awareness, rooting in changing the world. That's where mindfulness meditation comes from. It comes from this whole path of practice, and it's interwoven with these other things. But you don't have to sign up for all of that. You can just practice. It's still a big deal to practice mindfulness meditation as secular mindfulness, as this quality of attention that we can do with anything. Bringing that mindful awareness to whatever we're doing will have a positive impact. And you can start there and try that first. And if that is making your life better and making people around you happier, and you feel good about that, then come check out this other